Zelle is a mobile payment and money transfer service owned by a company that includes 7 of the largest and most prominent banks in the United States, making it widely accessible for many users. This app is completely free to download and allows you to make instant money transfers to any recipient without incurring any additional fees. The Zelle app is free to use. However, fees from other banks or credit unions not directly associated with Zelle may still apply. Therefore, since Zelle is primarily owned by several major banks across the United States, it enjoys the following significant advantage over other payment platforms. First, its extensive scope and broad compatibility with nearly all major banks throughout the entire United States. Secondly, the application integrates seamlessly with both online and mobile banking services for its financial partners. Zelle, in partnership with numerous reputable financial institutions across the United States, facilitates safe, convenient, and revolutionary ways to transfer cash instantly to friends and family, ensuring seamless and efficient transactions. It aims to transfer money instantly and directly from one bank account to another without any physical contact or intermediary. Subscribing to Zelle is essentially the same as setting up your online or mobile banking services through your bank. The Zelle app is already integrated into most U.S. banks. This means that if your bank offers Zelle as a service, your account will be automatically set up in advance for your convenience. The only remaining task for you is to locate the option where sending money with Zelle is enabled, and then you can proceed to start linking your bank account to the service. In this video, we will learn and explain this topic. Download the Zelle app, conveniently available for both Android and iOS devices. Open the VPN program and set your virtual location to the United States because Zelle only operates and works within the United States. Launch the program to display this specific interface screen. Tap Get Started, then Allow to enable notifications. Now Zelle is requesting that you enter your phone number, which must specifically be an American number. You should use a program like Viki, which provides you with a temporary American phone number for various uses and added convenience. Look above for the follow-up. Now agree to the terms and proceed to the next step. Now, you are being asked to specify the name of the bank you regularly deal with for your financial transactions. After selecting the bank from the list, you need to switch to your bank's mobile app to complete the transaction. For example, if you are dealing with Chase Bank, from the menu on the left side of the screen, you will find an option for quick payment via Zelle. From the convenient Quick Pay menu via Zelle, you have the ability to receive money, send money, and even split it with others seamlessly. By clicking on Send Money, you will see a list of the last people you sent money to recently. Click on Add at the top to add a person from your contact list. You can also perform a search for people by using their name only. You now need to write down the recipient's email address and their phone number for contact purposes. In the next step, carefully enter the amount sent and choose the preferred payment method option. You can also write a heartfelt letter. The specified amount will be sent within 1 to 2 days if the recipient has not linked their bank account to the Zelle app. However, if he uses the Zelle app for the transaction, the money will arrive immediately. The beneficiary will also receive a detailed message explaining how to register for Zelle and securely link it to their existing bank account. Before sending the package, you are asked to carefully verify the shipping information, then click on Send Now. Before sending your package, you are asked to carefully verify all the shipping information for accuracy, then click on the Send Now button to complete the process. If you want to send a package or a letter, you can make sure there are designated spots in the house for outgoing mail and parcels. You can easily enter the required data from your credit card information, including your first and last name, card expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV number on the back. If you are currently residing in America and happen to be a Bank of America customer, the first step you need to take is to download the Bank of America mobile app and log in using the access credentials provided to you by the bank. If you do not have access credentials, contact the bank's customer service and they will provide them to you. This is the app interface, and you have various options available at the bottom. You press the second option from the left, which indicates you will be using transformations via the Zelle method. Then click on Settings. Here is your contact information. Enter an American phone number and an electronic braille. Select your available deposit account, whether it is a current or savings account. Click on Agree to accept terms. Click on the I agree button to accept the terms and conditions. Please click on any button below to indicate your agreement. Do you know why I didn't update the consent in Vemu? He talks about these applications to provide a safer and faster way to transfer money, comparing the functionality of the Zelle app with the Vemu app, which we thoroughly discussed in a previous video on our channel. Both of these applications are operational only throughout the United States. Vemu's interface is like social media, unlike the Zelle app, a platform where users can share and manage their payments within their broader social network community. Apart from Vemu's enjoyable interface, it is also perfect for daily transactions, such as splitting meals, distributing salaries, and similar financial transactions. With the Zelle app, you can confidently say goodbye to such troublesome interactions, because it is more conservative when it comes to keeping records of your transactions. The maximum amount that can be transferred via the Vemu app is $4,190 per week, while the Zelle app has a maximum transaction limit of $5,000 per day and an overall limit of $20,000 per month for user transactions. Overall, the Zelle app is a smart choice when you need to transfer money instantly and directly to another user. Nancy Conca's expertise in timing and translation